Good afternoon, welcome back to the vlog. Today is a pretty exciting day for the Mustang because after 5 years of owning it, it gets its first exhaust mod. We are going to be installing the Roush axle back exhaust. It's a very simple installation, just unbolt the old mufflers, bolt the new ones on. These Roush axle backs are coming from my friend Darren. If you remember his Mustang on the channel, the blue one, he actually sold that one and upgraded to a 2011 GT. Here's a little clip about that. Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're headed to Miami to pick up a Mustang GT. My boy Darren. Darren, are you excited for the new car? Yes. Give it a nice little rev, Darren. All right, Darren just finished the purchase of the car. Yeah, once he upgraded to the GT, he basically reached out to me and said, do you want to buy these axle backs? And so I drove up halfway, meet Darren, and get the axle backs. We have them here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and install them. All right, so the axle backs are installed. It sounds great. I'm going to take it out on the road, do some drive-by clips and some revs, and see how it sounds. So that pretty much wraps up today's vlog. The Mustang, like I said, finally gets that axle back exhaust upgrade. In the near future, honestly, I'm thinking about maybe X-pipe and some headers for this. Just make it even louder, sound even nicer. And the FRS is gonna get some upgrades here soon. That's a surprise for y'all, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, other than that, I will see y'all in the next vlog.